Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel CTech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I am gonna show you how you can get your Cash App account. I've been selling Cash App account since 2018, so it's a long time, so I can guide you better. So let me show you the screen of my phone and you can check the accounts that I have in my lobby, and if you wanna buy you can contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. So let's go to the screen of my phone and let me show you which kind of accounts I have. So this is one of the best account I have. I'll show you three kind of accounts in this video, so you can check the first account. This is one of the account which is BTC verified. You can check there is transaction details and transaction history. Let me tell you one thing, that whenever you wanna buy a Cash App account, all what you have to do, you just have to buy an old account. Okay, so old accounts are surviving nowadays and the new accounts are being suspended after some time, and your funds can be locked in that. So this is the account, you can check the details of it. I'm showing the limits, you can check there is 25k limit in this account. Okay, so this is one of the BTC verified account. You can check it has been joined 2021. Okay, so this is the second account and let me show you the details of this account. You can also check this account. The card is locked here, you can unlock and use your card. If you wanna buy account of this type, you can contact on my Instagram or WhatsApp, which is given in the start of the video as well as in the description. Here you can check there is a huge transaction history of this account and all the transactions are completed without any issue. Okay, so whenever you are gonna buy an account, you have to look at the transaction history of that account. Here you can see it's a huge one. And let me show you the limits of this account and other details. As you can see, identity is verified. All the documents in the PDF form will be given to you. This is 4k limit BTC verified account. If you wanna buy it, it will be cheaper than the first one. Okay, and let me show you the third one. This is the third account. Let me show you the details of this account. As you can see, the card is locked here. This account has also a long transaction history. All the accounts that I have been showing to you are old accounts and they have a huge transaction history. That's why they are good one and they are a little expensive, but I will provide you the best price of the market. You may get the lower price than the new accounts as well. Okay, this account is also BTC verified. If you wanna buy non-BTC verified, just a Cash App account with SSN verified details, you can also get that, but I will recommend you to buy an account with BTC so that you can transfer your funds. Okay, so contact me on the social media links